Oh, it is August 22nd. I think I've done like 15 videos today, marathon. Let's look at CID, Lucid Group. I think this was CCIV. They changed the name, or I don't know if it merged or something like that. But anyway, this one from 10 January all the way to 64.86. Can you imagine these moves? I mean, these moves are incredible. These moves are, 6 times, 7 times the move from the bottom. Move up 13 over 20 EMA. When you're up here, people are still fighting this and a gap. You don't see that much, but it did gap down pretty hard. And I can put in here, you can see right here, there was a definite triangle here, a wedge, you could call it. Call this a falling wedge, pretty much. See this? Or a tight channel, whatever you want to call it. And this broke up though. This broke up nicely at 20, went to a high of 27.88. Then it went a little bit higher, excuse me, back and forth, sort of a W pattern. Now it's just like fading, not doing much. 861 stochastics. Your weekly chart, you made a nice run here. We see that now. See, you're in a downtrend on this, so that's not good. You don't want to see that. So monthly, no real information here. So, what we have here now is, where's this going? Well, you have the 21.77 where it's at now. Look at this candle right here, this hammer candle. It's at 20.90. So I would use that as my stop. And then if it goes below there, look for 20. And this could just sort of fade down, and then there's your low right here, which is 17.25. It's possible we get there. I don't know how this is going to run exactly. Depends on the market. Depends how they want to pump these stocks again and make a move, which doesn't seem like it. But even on this right here, you draw this line, and I think we're going to break up a little bit though. If we do, look for 25 to 28. See these moves right here, these candles? I look for a bounce right there. So you're getting really oversold. So unless they keep pushing it down, you see like a big green candle, that's going to be a good sign. That weekly, frozen here. That weekly, see this? We're still heading down there. I don't like that. I don't like to see the looks of that. So you're going to have to play this for news, how these candles run, what kind of pattern you see develop here. Right now, we're just going down now, but watch for a pop. All right, enough of that. SCTY, the limited. Another one. How many patterns? I've done all these videos today, about like 20. They look the same. This broke up to 25, back to 10, all the way to 89.20. Look at that run, man. Let me see something. If you had 1,000, say you had 1,000 shares, and you got out, let's say 80. That's only 70,000 in about less than a month. Imagine that. It's like you could take a year off from work, travel, do what you want. That's incredible. All right, then we went sideways down here after the big pop, big wedge down. This came out of it, but it faded on the wedge. It went down, then it pops. Sort of a weird move here. Did get to 20. Another wedge, bounced to 1841, and now we're coming up again. So you have a channel here. You can see this, right here, this low, 863. We're crossing over. I like that. So we're going back up. We might challenge this. I would look for, if we do break, 15 to 20 on the high side with the bullish side. Right here, after the move down, we tried to bounce. Now you have the 20 EMA over 13 EMA, which is, of course, bearish. You do have this coming up, which is bullish. So it's a little fight here between the bulls and bears, if this can get above the monthly. You're trying to cross over, which is good to see here. Slight divergence from that low. So this is going to be a battle, but I don't see why this can't get to 15 to 20 on this move here, a crossover above. So I like that. It looks pretty bullish at that point. All right, so that's it for these two stocks. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button, leave comments. Twitter, Mike came in trades, or no, Mike J trades. Forget all these names. StockTwits, Mike came in alerts. Instagram, Mike came in alerts, and TikTok, Mike came in trades. That's it for now. Peace.